Alright, so here's my chocolate project. Chocolate is on a plate without the spinner. Sitting that for 30 seconds. Alright, so we have just cooked the chocolate, and as you can see there is 1, 2, and 3 melted spots that measure around 7 to 8 centimeters. I'd give it 7.5. And so now going to our conversions we have here. We have speed of light equals wavelength times frequency. Given that our microwave's frequency is 2,450 gigahertz, we convert that to 2.459 hertz. And speed of light is 3 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. Now our wavelength we have just measured is, let's say, 7.5 centimeters. I'm sorry, made a mistake. You're supposed to multiply your received or measured wavelength by 2 because, in fact, the way your microwave heats is using a sine wave where there's antinodes and there are nodes which don't move. The heat comes from the parts where it is moving, and these reciprocate up and down. So these heat up and these don't, leaving the reason why we only have spots of heat and melted chocolate. So we multiply these by 2 to get a single wavelength or period of time. So this would be more like 1.5 meters. This would be wrong. Times, or not 1.5, 15 centimeters, 0.15 meters, 0.15 meters times 2.45 is 10 to the 9th hertz. And when we calculate this, see, 0.15 times 2.45 e to the 9th, we get 3.67 times 10 to the 8th, which is roughly kind of ish equal to 3 times 10 to the 8th. But using the measurement of human error and the simple fact that we cannot measure the exact points between any two, let's say, melting points, we are not able to get a completely correct answer. Thank you.